I am Ethylene Balanton, 74 years old, living in Quezon City, Philippines. I have been taking STEM Enhance, which became Alpha Extract and now known as Renew, for the past more than 12 years. In the past 2 years, I have also included the two other products of my Kiwi company, the Cleanse and the Honey Manuka. So far, last week during my semi-annual checkup, I was declared cancer-free for the past 6 years. Although I now suffer from osteoarthritic knee because of a side effect by my anti-cancer medicine. But with the three my Kiwi products, I'm able to cope with this problem without the need for any operation, but just the use of my cane. As of now, my twin sister and her husband, as well as my 5 younger siblings and in-law, are also now taking Renew and Cleanse. And we're all in our senior years. And so far, we don't have any serious illness or health condition. And we want to thank my Kiwi company.